If you're watching this video and you just got excited about that door panel, open up your wallet because it's gonna cost. Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of MFCA181. This is a 1985 Cadillac Eldorado that this guy right here tried to burn to the ground. Him. We had it on an RV power supply, and you can't smell it, but it is rather crispy in here. The cables are smoking. So obviously we've got a pinched wire somewhere that we were just throwing 80 amps of current at like nobody's business. Let's go ahead.
I was cold.
It was cold. It was cold.
I needed a heater.
I'm gonna go ahead and fire this thing up so we can listen to a run while we do a nice little walk around. Oh, because there's no keys. They're on the roof. All right. I'm an idiot. JohnsAnIdiot.com. Fires right up. Let's put the old window down and, oh, no one-touch windows. This is the pinnacle of luxury. This thing is minty fresh, like 38,000 miles on it. 36,000 miles on it, and it shows. This thing is absolutely beautiful. There's a 4100 V8 running well. It's got a little bit of a belt swirl because the fan is, well, it's pinched. Things happen. Look how clean this thing is, though. It was very well taken care of before it got smashed. Motor will be sold complete with accessories due to the mileage. This guy now has to edit his listing.
Edit my listing.
As you guys can see, though, everything's working well. It's just a fan shroud that is up on it. Did the front bumper make it, Andy?
What?
Front bumper any good?
It's got some dents and dings and the corner's bent up, but I listed it.
Gotcha. Very usable front bumper on it.
This is like the worst right here.
Yeah.
And we got some pretty.
I know all of you 85 Eldos out there watching this, your front bumper looks way worse. Andy, go ahead and put that thing in gear really fast. We'll shut it off. We're going to modify the test video. I don't want to hear this. He's got reverse. He's got drive, but will it stop? It has park. You can shut her off. All right, and I can hear myself think.
What?
Lot tested. It goes in reverse, it goes into drive. It looks good for my driveway. That is a lot tested transmission. This car will have a nice wheel set. We've got some corrosion in them there, but I believe these are OEM wires.
No, those are Vogue wires.
Vogues?
Vogue.
Oh.
Look at that emblem. It's not a caddy.
Vogues. They're Vagues, that's what they are. This door is going to have a lot of trim on it because it's obviously all damaged. So, yeah. The interior is absolutely beautiful on this girl. Nice door panel. We'll have an OEM dashboard for sale. All of this trim, a nice tight tilt column, a beautiful voluptuous pleather seat set. 1985's finest offerings right here.
Don't talk about me like that.
What age better, guys? That old F or this car? Let's test out the back seat. We're giving her the back seat test. All right, let's see. This thing's huge. This has legitimately got more room than a Honda Accord back here. Yeah. Do what? Dude, this is a baby making seat. This is when coupes were coupes. Yeah, this interior, flawless, guys. If you guys have one of these and you're looking for some great interior trim, this is going to be the car to get it out of. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Kind of wish I would have fixed it. That's all right, all my money's in Ethereum anyways. Why spend my money on one 85 Cadillac when I can turn it into 3? All right, let's keep moving along here because this car did take a pop in the rear. Looks like both the taillights made it. The filler panel is... Rear bumper's in good condition though. Deck lid, not so much. Check out this driver's side here. Oh, boss man's here. We gotta have no more fun. Very, very I'm gonna say it, the nicest door panel you'll find for sale on eBay for one of these. This thing is perfect. Absolutely perfect. All the bids, guys. If you're watching this video and you just got excited about that door panel, open up your wallet because it's gonna cost. All right, let's test some parts in here though. Come on, radio. Radio no good, Andy?
No, radio's junk.
Okay, radio's junk. Climate control. That is working well. Fuel data center working. Let's get the wipers. Those worked. Headlight switch is good. Cluster lights up. There's that window we tested going down. We'll test this one. Surprised this car's still working after being lit on fire now. This Eldorado is an absolute trooper. Yeah, glove box latch as well. Man, yeah, all of this wood grain is in basically perfect condition, guys. This is the car, if you're restoring one, that you're gonna wanna get the parts off of. Absolutely flawless. Tilt column is nice and tight. Even the sun visors, I mean, they've still got it, if that makes sense. Still got their foam in them. Not all clapped out. Vanity lights still hold themselves up. Oh, vanity light is not working on this side. We'll note that in the listing. All right, guys, that is going to wrap it up for MFCA181, the nicest 85 Cadillac Eldorado I've ever seen. I don't think you guys will find a lower mileage example being parted out anywhere. With that being said, if you're looking for any of the parts off of this Eldo, I'll leave a link in the description down below to our website, www.jandjautoricking.com, where you can live chat with one of our sales folks. If you guys prefer to just, call us the old way, 800-425-1555, mention stock number MFCA181, and be prepared, guys, because this stuff is beautiful. This car is really nice. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking, guys. Thanks for watching.